Ever wondered how to make your own grass jelly from scratch? It is surprisingly easy, and the texture you're about to find out. Can you believe some plants can naturally turn into jelly without any additives? A few years ago, I did a video showing how to make grass jelly using the plants from my garden in the US. But now in this video, I'll be showing you a different type of plant that I found Vietnam uses to make grass jelly. So let's get into the video. Let's start off by rinsing these leaves. Now this is a plant that grows as a vine just like the one that grow in the US, but this one the leaves are actually fuzzy. Check out those different sized leaves. They look like a heart shape. Just like the grass jelly I grow in the US, this vine is really vigorous. After washing these leaves, just lightly pack them into the blender, add a little bit of water. You can see where the water line is. I'm not putting that much in, just enough to help get the blender going. And because I'm using a weaker blender, I'm just pulsing it to help chop it up. Now that the blender's having an easier time to blend, I'm just going to let it keep going until the leaves kind of just break down. Next, we're going to strain it to extract the juice. I'm using a nut milk bag. You can use a cheesecloth or something similar to this would work. Pretty much just squeeze to get all the liquids out, and you can see that I'm sort of massaging the bag like I'm washing clothes. This is how they get that really chewy texture. This part really tests your patience, so just take it easy and enjoy the process. If you feel you got all the extract out, it's time to transfer. Yep, I'm getting every bit of it out of my hands because I don't want to miss a drop of this. Now I'm taking a spoon to slowly scoop off the top where the foams and the bubbles are so that the jelly could be a little smoother. Next, transfer it into a container and refrigerate. Typically takes about a couple hours to set, but for mine I let it sit in the fridge overnight. Okay, so this has been sitting in the fridge to chill overnight, and look how well it's settled. It's super bouncy, and so far it really feels like jello, like really chewy, gummy bear, gelatin kind of consistency. So let's give this a try. Oh my god. Oh my god, this really tastes like gelatin. Whereas the one I grow with the smooth leaves, it tastes more like jelly, but this is like legit gelatin. Crazy. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at this consistency. Tastes like legit jello, like gelatin. If you didn't tell me this was plant-based, I wouldn't have known. So, what do you guys think of this plant-based jello? Would you try it? These grass jelly vines are definitely one of the funnest plants I've ever grown. I love eating them plain and adding them to beverages. To find out how I make the other kind of grass jelly using the plant I grow, check out that video right up there. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.